So this is going to be a pretty short video today, but if you are looking for some creative pencil and marker storage to keep your writing utensils horizontal, I was at Menards today, and so hardware store for the win. These little 2-drawer and 4-drawer modular storage, and they also had smaller ones, smaller drawers. They had like 3 or 4 different kinds. I don't know what other hardware stores they might be at, but Menards had these. It is a, I guess, US chain, but I don't know where all they have locations. But these were about $5 or so. And the measurements on this one is almost 9.5 inches wide by almost 8 inches high and about a little over 5.5 inches deep, and you can kind of see it in my hand here. But these are modular, and so you can see the top here, it's got these grooves, and you can see this is the bottom of the next one. And what happens is they have like a little hook thing that comes back here. It slides in, and these can stack. They also can stack next to each other. So you can build like a wall of stuff. And I have been keeping my markers that I got in here. These are those acrylic markers I got from Jerry's, and the packaging they came in is not really what I like. It's too hard to just grab some because they have those sort of flip boxes that they only store like 5 at a time. And then my colored pencils right now, I got some extras from Derwent, and they're in this box here, which is fine, but they just fit. And you can see like the tips are just right up against the end of the box here. So I would like to transfer these, and this is a little bit wider, so I'm just going to have a little bit more playroom, and then I can keep these on my work table and just pull out a drawer and get whatever I want. So this is going to work out great, I think. And so I'm just going to put my stuff in here quickly and then show you what it looks like together, and then call it a day. But if you're interested in these, it is the Tool Shop modular storage. There's 2-drawer, 4-drawer. I think there's more, but the information is here. Okay, I've got everything together, and I'm just going to show you real quick how this works. So this works on the side and the top, but you can see these little kind of flaps in the back. And so on the sides and also on the top, you can stick these together and then slide them, and they lock in place. Now it is, plastic, so it's not going to be like you can just sort of throw this around and stuff, but on a tabletop, it just gives it extra stability. You can also stack on top, but you can make it as wide as you want and as high as you want, and they're modular. So I'm going to tip this back. I'm going to block out the noise though, because everything's going to move. So you can see the pencils, markers. These are those aquafiber markers and the marking crayons from Sakura. These are those creative inspirations. I kind of split them into warms and cools, and so I have them divided up into these 2 drawers. And then this is some of those Derwent drawing pencils and a couple other colored pencils, and I can add some more to this too. But this is really nice. And then I was thinking, for this little 4-drawer one, I kind of wish I got another 2-drawer one, but I can always go back, I guess. But these little 4-drawer ones, they might be good for like maybe some crayons or something like that. One nice thing too with the drawers, you can see this little lip. It's just a little bit of extra protection from the drawer just kind of sliding out all the way. So you can take these out by just sort of tilting them a bit, but if you're just pulling out a drawer, it does stop it a bit. So these are kind of nice. Like for $5, it's a good buy. If you're looking for some creative storage to hold your pens, pencils, markers, and it can be tabletop, this might be a good option for you. It's kind of the perfect length. And actually, let me just get Let me just get a length for the actual drawer itself, because there's the measurements for the unit, but the drawer is 7.5 inches long for the 2 drawer, and it is about 5 inches deep on the inside. So about 7.5 by 5 for the 2 drawer. And then for the 4 drawer, which there are a couple other ones too with like really tiny ones, because these are for tools, so you can put like screws and stuff in them too. So for the 4 drawer one, these ones are about 3.5 inches wide on the inside by a little under 5 inches wide on the inside. So about 3.5 by 5 for the 4 drawer, and then I'm not sure about the others. So it's kind of a nice little storage container. You could put stickers in here, beads, whatever it is you kind of play with. Oh, and if you want to know the depth, and this is going to be for both the 2 and the 4 drawer, the depth is about 2 3/4 inch. So, you know, I was thinking like, ooh, it'd be nice if it would fit in ink, but my ink is a little bit too tall, just the little top there. So you can't put everything in these, but they will hold a lot. They'll hold some Neo colors for sure, some crayons, those Neo arts I got. They'll fit like extra tubes of watercolor, which actually that sounds like a pretty good idea right about now. So there's a lot that can be done. So hopefully this gives you some ideas. And if you have a Menards, go ahead and get over there if you're looking for something. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating.